Hey everybody, well, I think I got my snow day. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's getting in. Yeah, come on, snow getting in. Alright. Yeah. This is probably the worst snow we've had for a few years now. So yeah, I'm not working today. Yeah, so that's the view from my new home office. I was gonna go and, kind of take it out a little bit, but it's way too windy. Anyway, yeah, I'm not sure if you all saw my new home office. Decided to put it in the spare room I had instead of having it there. And look at that. This is what I wanted to show you. Well, the storm. And just block off the light because they kind of make a weird thing in the camera. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know why they do that. Alright. Okay, it's just when I approach the camera. Anyway. Must be something with magnetism or I don't know. But yeah, look at that. Pretty beautiful, eh? Sure, these don't have enough lights, so I'm just gonna probably eat them like that. But the rest, I mean, look at that. That's a real spinach there. And look at those lettuce leaves. Yeah, baby, I'm gonna be able to make myself a salad. Yeah, the lettuces are really beautiful. Look at that. And actually, I haven't tasted them. Just have a bite here. Yeah, a bit of dirt. Ah. It tastes exactly like outside the grown lettuce. These are my radishes. Yeah, they're probably not gonna be making any like radishes underneath the ground because I don't know, they grew way too stringy. I guess the lights were not close enough to them when they came out. But yeah, those are great in the salad. And actually for supper, I think I'm gonna have a radish and salad, lettuce salad. Yeah. And this is my little savory. Again, I'm not expecting much out of it, but you know, it's kind of cool that the seeds grew. And yeah, now I'm gonna lower that again. And you know what? Those bulbs, they're not hot at all, so it doesn't matter if the leaves are like, because right now the way I have it a little bit lower than that, the leaves are actually growing well in between the neon lights. Ah, there you go. And yeah, it doesn't seem to bother them at all. In fact, they are probably, you know, happier to have more light. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with my little indoor garden. And of course I'm gonna have to I don't know, get the smaller pot or smaller tray because this one is too big for the lights I have. And yeah, look, the view there. Yeah, I got Christmas light on for the fun of it. Yeah, can't see anything. Alright, so see you everybody. Bye, okay.